After 5 years waiting for this product line to bring to Best RV, I am inside a brand new 2025 Amber 24 MBH. Amber, why it took us so long? Because we was waiting for super high end small 24-foot travel trailer bunk model. And the reason why, because the features I'm going to provide to you, I don't care what you're comparing to me. It is honestly, you compare it to Jayco, Rockwood, Flagstaff, Amber, any brand you think, the items here, they offering it to you. None of them, they give it into you. And also the quality, that's number one. I mean, the founder of the Amber, it has over 25 years of experience and other brands. Her family started Jayco brands. And, Jayco sold to Thor. So she said, I love the RV. I want to be in the RV industry. So she created the Amber line, which is high quality, and she saw what the other manufacturing not offering it, and she said, I want to offer it to my customer and give them something they cannot shop, they cannot compare, high end, more warranty, more quality. And Best RV support her by saying, you know what, on my first initial order, I'm gonna give them away to my customers so they have a deals. No dealers, East Coast, West Coast, Canada, United States could even match, because we pass all the saving to you, the customers, and we give you a trailers no one could match. Quality, features, options. And I know some people, they say I talk too much, but I'm going to point to you why I'm talking about this unit and why you need to buy the Amber 24 MBH and the quality you're looking for. I know there's too many bunk model 24 foot in the market. I sell over 1,700 units in stock with 45 brands we carry. But why I choose the Amber to be the best 24 bunk model for you, because that's what I'm going to point to you and show you the feature and the quality. One thing, this is 24-foot bunk model. Everybody make this floor plan where you have double over double bunk. Now the bottom here is, as you see, a flip, and I have a door in the back, so in case if I have canoe, my electric bike, all of that, I could get it to here. Has a beautiful outdoor kitchen underneath this section of the bunk. Come with the ladder to the bunk. Each bunk has the nice automotive. These windows, they use them on a class, a B, and they use them in Europe, where they built in with the screen and build up with the shade, and you could open it and you could choose whatever level you want. This is high end. I don't have cheapy piece of wood as it balances. I don't have a cheapy piece of cloth as balances. This is high end windows they use in the motorhome, and they provide it on a travel trailer. So this is one feature you compare, is they give you, the high European style windows versus the other comparator they give you that's just the cheapy uh, piece of plastic roller you could roll down. Now, coming over here, the finishing. Guys, I want to emphasize, when you say Amber, quality finishing features, that's what you want to look at, plus the price. Look, they give you adjustable closet here. I could adjust it. It has a lip, and it has a sensor light. They give you also, if you decide, okay, now I want to use this as a closet, no problem. I could remove this shelf, take the shelf out, and I could use it as hanging closet. Or I could, remove those two and leave those two at the bottom. And then they give you a place here for your Wi-Fi WinGuard routers, so you could have a hotspot here. Another nice finishing, everything is a nice control panel. And then you say, oh, what's these red switches now you give me? This red switches is the hot water heater, and this one is the dual hot water heater. I could run off electricity as well. I could run a propane. The light is dimmer on a dimmer switch. Thermostat for the air, for a fantastic fan. So this unit, the nice thing about this unit, what I really like about it, it has a 15,000 ducted AC, plus they give you a fantastic fan to bring a nice breeze for the kids sleeping on those bunk. And just open that little bit window,
Turn that fantastic fan. It's like a natural air condition. And run off 12 volt. If you have 110, you could run the AC no problem. Coming over here, you have a nice, beautiful U-shaped dinette, and you can see the table is adjustable. I could take it this way to me. I could take it to my other friend and make it easy to sit in the back so I don't hit my knees, because how many times I hit my knees and I said, oops, when I try to sit on the dinette. I'm not hitting my knees, and also I give you the flexibility to sit the family, to get the food the way it is, and you could spin it this way and make it whatever position you want. And also this one you could take it off and it will become the base for the U-shaped dinette. Another features, quality, I'm talking features and quality. Flush floor in the slide out. I don't have to trip because, oops, there's a 3-inch, 4-inch slide out edge. Pass-through storage. Again, show them this aluminum construction, even in the dinette. Another bench to store things. Easy to get in. Easy to get in. Another bench they provide. Again, nice features and benefits. Coming here, come with a beautiful smart TV, run off 12 volt system, fireplace, place for stuff here, more storage. Everybody here on the TV could see it. Plus the TV is on a swing, built in with FM tuner, AM FM stereo, and a TV. And as I said, you can plug your cell phone, Bluetooth, all this high tech is on this TV. And the beauty about this TV is a 12 volt, so I don't have to be 110 in order to watch the TV. Here's the kingdom of the lady. Look how beautiful that kitchen counter space I'm giving you with that extension countertop. The nice cutting board, one deep, 2 bowls, so you could put this full with water, soap, wash the dishes, rinse them here, or the opposite. I have a nice cutting board, and I could put stuff here to get rinse. 110 plug. I love the backsplash with the window in the kitchens, again to get the fresh air and the breeze. 3-burner range with the oven. Again, people, they think it's a cooking it's a warmer, but actually it's a cooking pan door. And again, it gives you the residential look in the kitchens. Very roomy storage. All this is storage. All this storage. And again, don't forget, you're gonna ask me, where's my pantry? Well, guess what? Here's your pantry. It's right there. You don't want to use a pantry, you could use it as a closet, whatever you like. And place for a trash can, so you don't have to put that piece of bag on the edge of the door. You have a trash can here. Always door self-closing. Extension countertop, and again, if you don't want that extension, if in your way, you can close it. Nice pocket door. Again, that pocket doors, now you have full privacy in the living area. Nobody could see what's in your bedroom. So I hope I give you more information on the kitchen. And then the fridge, they have the 11 cubic foot refrigerator. Here's your Ember owner manuals. This fridge is run off 12 volt, like everybody, 11 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. A nice doors underneath the fridge. So another way, if you look at it, they don't waste any space. Now, one thing I'm gonna ask you, how many times you walk on an RV dealership lot and you walk on the trailers and you see a hanging molding? Or you see molding, the factory went crazy and they went to too many stables. Ta, 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 ta. It's like somebody went on a war. Where's my trim here? Where's my molding? Where's my molding? They have a special molding built in where they don't use a stable gun. So you don't see a stable here. And look how clean, look how soft, look how flush. You don't see that stupid putty like some other brands. That is the quality. That's what I want you to see, the Ember. That's the reason why I want you to come to Best RV and see these quality I'm talking. Some of them, they have molding here, it's coming apart. Where's it here? You don't see it. Where's the molding on the edge of the slide? It's right here. Even they make it the same color and there's no stable. Because the way how they put it is they put the molding is like this. And you don't see it. And flush, solid. Look all these nice cabinets. Solid wood. Now, I'm gonna show you one thing and show you quality. Everybody make this floor plan. Yes, about you, everybody. But they put you one big window like this on the slide out. Amber, they try not to cheapen up and cut corner like the other brand. They put another window on the side of the slide out. So you get two big windows on the slide versus the other manufacturer, they put big window slide. And you ask them, oh, this is how it came. Why? Because they want to save money. Here's, they don't save money. They pass it to you. And we give you price. When I'm done with this video, I'm telling you what is the price of this unit. Shop as much you want. Do the job for yourself. No dealers in East Coast, West Coast will offer you that price. Put me through the test, please. Now, look how nice the pocket doors bit. Now, we're going to talk about this room because this room, there's a magic behind it. Because I don't care what brand you're looking at. I don't care what the floor plan is. I looked and looked and no one would offer you here. Coming in. Look how this beautiful bedroom. You're going to ask me now, where's my queen bed? Wait a minute. Come with a nice queen bed. But I call this one is a man cave, or the pop and mom, they want to watch a movie by themselves and they don't want to disturb them. Is they give you the ability to have a sofa here, sit, enjoy a TV facing you, enjoy the room, enjoy the space. That's number one. And give you separation where the kids could be in the dining watching TV, the parents sitting here watching their own movie, or they have really nice thought. They have their own big window, big doors right here, big closets, and both closets here, and then you could put your TV. But you say now, why they give me a sofa in the bedroom? I never see that. Everybody give me queen bed in the bedroom and that's it. Yeah, because they try to cut the corner for you and just give you bed. Here's the base, here's the mattress, done. But Amber, what they did is they giving you additional sofa on a 24. So this 24 feet, I'm still getting the U-shaped dinette and a sofa in the front. It gives you ability to have separation of seating, one for the kids, one for the parents, or either or. Plus, you have this beautiful skylight. Look how bright. I make my bedroom very bright. I make this room very bright. Now, if you tell me, what I was waste? No, it's not a waste because I could open this. And this one, I could get a nice fresh air to my bedroom. Oh, this was too. I'm short, sorry. And I could get a fresh bedroom. And then if you said, now I'd like my bedroom closed, dark, I don't like the lights, I'm a little bit different. Okay, no problem. Close it. It's very dark. And if you said, now I need a fresh air, yeah, you don't want the bug inside, there's a screen. So you could do either or. But the advantage of this is give you two seating trailer on a 24 foot. And then this one is very easy. Again, storage, come with extra table over here. And you drop this, there's nothing to it. There's no extra work you have to do. There's nothing, guarantee you. Look how easy. I'm a skinny guy. I don't have that much power. And I could do this beautiful, pure 60 by 80 bed. Amazing what they offer. One thing I'm going to talk about features about this. One number it's going to have that cheapy plastic cover that most of the time they fly in the field. They have a solid cover here, but everything is covered and locked. So I could put my tools here. If there's my propane tank, they're locked, safe. And I could install my 2 deep cycle battery here. So when you buy it, your battery will be there. And everything is covered. So I don't have to go buy that stupid battery box, the propane, or the use the propane cover. Very easy to put. And also I close, lock. So nobody could see anything. Locked. So nobody could steal my tank and nobody could steal my propanes. And it has electric tank job. Now, coming over here, so we have a nice, beautiful pass-through storage with a rubber mount. And you can see it has the LED light in the front. As you see, I have a nice picnic tables, and I just push this. And right there, I have a picnic table I could pull, so I don't have to go buy a picnic table. Plenty room storage in the front. It's already have the prep for the 3 cameras, one on the right, one on the left. Nice big power awning, and the beauty about this power awning, it covers all my chairs. So the 2 doors and the bunk area is covered. You have 4 steps to get in the bedroom. As well, look how deep this step. I mean, there's no way you're gonna fall off from that step. It's so roomy. Coming here to the outdoor kitchens, everybody giving you a cheapy grill to burner. This is has a 3 burner grill, a fridge, and look how beautiful the windows, the European windows. It has a 200-watt solar panel, 2,000-watt inverter. This unit come with inverter, 2,000-watt inverter. And then everybody asks me, what's this? Everybody asks me, what's this? But the nice thing about this one is the light at night and a sensor. So when you get close to it, it's getting light on and bright. And then you have over here classroom storage. You could see it come with the outside ladder. Come with the ladder. Other competitor, they say go buy it. But here's it come with it. The Lippert expandable ladder, front camera, spare tires, and you see the spare tires already raised off the bumper. So it gives you ability to put a back rack here, and you don't have to switch the spare like some other brands. Another nice sensor light. It's amazing at night. I wish it's night. And it's, as soon as you get close to it, it goes light. Here's the place for the power cord, the U-shaped dinette, full storage. Please show them it's aluminum frame, even in the dinette and the bed, the cabinets. They don't waste the room behind the fridge. They give you place. It's perfect for fishing poles. One room, and again we have the 6-gallon hot water heater, electric and propane. That's another advantage. Those hot water here, they're propane only. This is both way, electric and propane. And then also you have a nice, beautiful here tank heater. This is a big deal because it's enclosed underbelly. It has heated pad on the tank. You don't freeze up when you use the unit. 1 docking stations, so all the cables covered. This is sandy flush with city water connections, cable, sunlight, all of that is right here. Again, faster study. So you could see this Ember 24. This is a big deal because people, they say, wait a minute, I bought another shutters. They don't have this for both in the front. The beauty about the Ember, again, we talk quality. They give you ability to play with the height of the coupler here. So if I want this to raise it high because I have 6-inch lift in my truck or 4-inch lift, you could do that. You don't have to go buy a hitch. All you do just raise them up. Or if I have a low truck, I could raise them down. So I could control this one because I have 2 holes down to adjust and 2 holes up. So this is a features you find it only in Amber. Other brands, just straight coming and you cannot adjust it. That's when we talk about quality. Nice LED light here on the front, 2 glass doors, and cannot believe it. Now, here's one thing. I don't talk about price, but this time I have to say price because we have a price for $36.99. You're getting all this brand new 25 Amber 24 bunkhouse with all these features, solar, inverters, all the nice windows, doors, finish, installations, only for $36.99. Shop as much you want. Do the down for yourself. No one take that price. This price is limited offer. We have only certain amount, and we pass all the saving to you, so you could buy Amber and have a nice high quality unit. Coming in.